What's up, guys? My name is Jameson, or TBG Hulkbuster, and today I'm doing a new room tour. And yeah, let's get it. So first, I'm gonna start with my plush collection. Boom. So we got Pingu, Froggy, Alarm Dog, Cuddles, Breaking News Elmo, Freddy, Koala Bear. And I don't know if I said Pingu. Hold on. Got my TV right there. And I got my super duper cool Xbox. And guys, I have a controller to play. This controller works now. My controller works now. Works. So got my computer mouse because I like playing on my computer. So that's the end of my room tour. If you guys enjoyed, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.